Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this email tracker onto your computer. And it's a Google extension that you'll need to install, so you'll have to head over to the Google Chrome web store and search for this email tracker right here. And then there's going to be a blue button here that says add to Chrome, so you want to add that, but since I've already installed it, it says remove from Chrome, so I'm just going to remove it and then reinstall it just to show you how you would go about installing it. So now that it's uninstalled, I'm going to add to Chrome once again, click add extension. It's just like what you would do when you add honey, because I'm sure all of you have seen the honey ad dozens of times already up at this point. And now all you want to do is connect to your Gmail account, your Google Gmail account, and select the account that you want this extension to be applied to. So I'm just going to use this account right here. It's my school account. And now it prompts you with a bunch of plans that you can use. I'm just going to sign up for free. And now it's installed, so we're all set up. So what you want to do now is just go back to your email, the Gmail account that you just set it up on. And basically you can compose an email and test it out and see if it works. So I'm going to compose one to myself. So I'll just email this to kencamboy@gmail.com. That's my home email. By the way, I'm emailing on my school account. So I'm just going to say testing email. And for the subject, we'll just say testing. And if I click send, it's probably going to take a minute. So just let that load. Alright, so I just received the email on my home account. As you can see here, it just popped up an alert in the bottom right corner of my computer. It says kencamboy@gmail.com has read your email. And that's all there is to it. It's a pretty easy extension to install, and it's probably going to be pretty useful when you want to know if someone has clicked or read your email yet. And yeah, it's going to be pretty useful for school, so definitely try adding this to your computer and see how it goes. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Other than that, have a nice day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Oh, and also shout out to Coding Fire, one of my YouTube friends who just hit 500 subscribers. Way to go, bro. Congrats.